and welcome to Rural Art Connection, the place where your boredom ends and creativity begins. Today I want to share with you the best salt dough recipe that I happened to stumble upon. It is amazing. Let's get started. So for this recipe you only need 3 ingredients: salt, all-purpose flour, and water. That's it, and the things you can make with it are endless. In my case, my children I think ran off with my full measuring cup, so I will be using a half measuring cup. I did 4 scoops of all-purpose flour, 4 scoops of salt, 2 half cups of water for a double batch. Alright, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and don't forget to ring the notification bell. By clicking this bell, it lets you be informed as soon as I post new content, especially if I do giveaways. That way. So once you get all of your little shapes cut out, you want to make sure that you have holes poked in them if you want to use them as beads to string them up. And then you want to flour your baking pan before you put them on it. I checked on my salt dough every 30 minutes just to make sure that I didn't burn it, and as you can see, my little moon one back here got a little bit dark, but if you're going to paint them, it's okay if they get a little bit on the well done side. Just make sure that they do not burn, because if they burn, that smell will stay with them for a very long time. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe down below, and stay tuned for more videos from me